I'm Josh with Oliver Travel Trailers. I'm one of the sales reps at our hometown office in Homewood, Tennessee. When we announced that we were going to be going to the dealer network, obviously there was a hesitancy between potential customers and also our existing owners because dealerships have a reputation. We have vetted these dealerships to where they show the same values and kind of mirror our company's image, and also they're accepting to us to come and help them so the customers can have that Oliver experience.
My name is Steve Evans, and I'm the owner of Evans & Son RV Sales in Petersburg, Indiana. The quality of the Oliver camper is what got my attention. I thought just from the looks of the quality of the camper, I thought it would be a good idea if we could become a dealer for Oliver. At that time, they were only doing sales out of the factory. And it seems like it wasn't, but maybe a month later that Rodney gave me a call back and asked if I would still be interested in doing Oliver's on my lot, and I said I sure would.
I'm Jason Estrie, Service Director for Oliver Travel Trailers. We're going to be traveling out to all of our new dealerships, making sure that we provide the training that the service and sales personnel need to make sure they deliver that same Oliver Travel Trailer experience you've come to know from us. We want to make sure that their service personnel are up to date, know exactly how our campers are built, and can assist you with any issues you may have. So that way you can visit one of our dealers a little closer to home instead of having to come all the way back to the mothership there in Hohenwald. Of course, we're always there if you need us as well. Our customer support is still open, and we also have dealer support side. So if you're ever at one of our dealers, we're there to support and make sure that they can help and get you back on the road and enjoying your Oliver Travel Trailer.
We just started carrying Oliver Travel Trailers here at our dealership in Indiana. We're super excited to have the product. One of the things that we were really looking forward to was today, actually, some of the reps came up from the factory to start training us. One of the big things they wanted to do was really make sure that we were able to answer questions for you, just like they could at the factory.
So the Oliver reps are here to train us, to get us comfortable with the Oliver. So when you come in, we are able to get you comfortable with the Oliver. We have a close working relationship with the sales reps. And then that way, we want you to feel like you're working with them yourselves directly.
What we're going to be going over is pretty much the build out of the camper, the wiring schematics, plumbing, all the details that the service personnel would need to know to make sure they can take care of your Oliver camper. So if you're in this area, you feel comfortable and trust Evans & Sons on getting your Oliver tip-top shape.
And whenever he opened up underneath the bed and showed us the plumbing work on the water heater and on the fresh water tank, I mean, the quality of the plumbing was far beyond my imagination that it would be that nice.
The plumbing in these things is, I've never seen plumbing set up. It's almost a work of art. The way they've got them plumbed and everything tied down, you know, and the wiring also, you know, is nice and neat and tidy. When he opened the battery box up, the quality of the electrical wiring and stuff in there was just unreal for me after seeing it on regular campers.
So it's the quality of the camper that sets it apart from all other campers.
We've always been a small dealership, and one of the things that we try to pride ourselves on is that of taking care of our customers. The camping worlds and the bigger, larger dealerships have a tendency to, once they sell you the unit, they don't know you any longer. And we like to know our customers, and we like to be able to take care of their wants and their needs on the maintenance side of the business.
One of the things I noticed about the reps that came down to help us with our open house for Oliver was just how much they actually care about the product. Not only do they know everything, like every question I've thrown at them, they've had the answer, but they really believe in it. You can tell in just how they talk about the product, which really helps me also see that value and be able to relay it to you. It's amazing just the different things that they do to build this and make it the strongest product on the market.
They won't have to worry about service because If it's something we don't know, we can get a hold of Oliver, and they'll get the answer for us.
I've got to say that I take pride in being an Oliver dealer. It was like an honor to be able to become a Oliver dealership.
Anyone out there that is, on the fence about us going to the dealers, that's one reason we're here at Evans & Sons, is to ensure that if someone comes here, they're going to feel like that they actually went to the Oliver factory and visited us in Tennessee.